Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease font size on Realme mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to move on this option display. Here is the display, so you just click here on display. After you have been click on it, then you are going to find this feature. So from here you have to scroll a little bit on the down, and here you are going to find the font size. Okay, so click on this font size. After you have been clicked, this is the scale of the font size. So if you want to decrease this font size, what you need to do is that this is the blue color circle. Okay, so if you want to scroll down or decrease, just scroll down and here the font size will be decreased. Okay, and if you want to increase it, you just scroll on the up. Okay, and it will be increased. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.